morning, parent, teacher, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sopheak. I am 13 years old. I study in grade 9. I study general education at Changasna High School. I study English at School of Educational Training for Home in Sopheak. Today I want to talk about my daily routine. In the morning, I get up at 5:30 and I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Then I take a shower and I have breakfast with my family. After breakfast, I go to school with my friend. At school, I clean my classroom and I raise the flag. I arrive home at 11:13 and I have lunch with my family. In the afternoon, I take a nap for 30 minutes and I have extra classes for 3 hours and I play football until 5:30 minutes. 5:30. In the evening I have dinner with my family and I watch TV and chat with my parents. At night I do homework, read books and review the lesson. And I go to sleep. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.